Hey guys, Fishing Fever here today. Today I'm just in this video. I'm just gonna start out. It was not a good filming video. So what you're about to see, you might not like because you aren't gonna see where I set the hook on the fish, on the big ones. It's always on the big ones. Once you get to the good ones, that's whenever you mess up. You mess up sometimes, especially when you're a beginner like me on YouTube, making these videos and don't know really what to do. You can learn that later. But just please like what I have right now. Please hit that like button at the bottom. Please subscribe and please leave a comments below if you have any questions. Leave me some comments about this video because leave me tips about how to video and stuff, and I would really enjoy that. But that's it for today. Can't talk. Okay, bye. Get up here. Ooh. It's pregnant. Pretty nice one. Looks like the one. Oh, God.
Got a battery on it, in it?
Yeah, it says 0. It's not working. Dang it.
Well, anyway, that is a big one. Let's see. Let's see how big he is here. That thing will go over 5 pounds, isn't it? 5, 6 pounds. Get it out. Can you get that out?
Now take my picture.
Okay.
Okay, got me a good one. Oh, baby, that's nice. That is a nice one. Got one. Oh, baby. Ooh. Stay on. Stay on. Oh my gosh! So lucky right here. Yeah, that's right where I went. Oh man, yeah. Oh, come on. Right here, boys. Right. Try and get him this catch right here. Stop right there. Oh, there he is. There he is, boys. Bigger than the first one. 1 pound. Oh. We just got rain. Came out here after school. And the sun's kind of coming out. Oh gosh. That was easy. Yeah, already got me a fish on. Okay, first one of the day. Pretty nice start.